67 Romeo, hold short runway 27 left this frequency.
Alright, so we're holding short right now for 27 right. We're going to go ahead and get our taxi clearance. And we're going to go fly up to Ramona.
Cessna 4 Delta, runway 27 left, clear touch and go.
And we're going to go ahead and do some touch and goes up there. A little bit of touch and goes, get some landing practice, and then we're just going to head back to the Class 2. So a short little flight, but should be fun. Flying is always fun. So let's go ahead and get our takeoff clearance. Might be a few minutes, so. Gillespie Tower, Cessna 4956 Delta 27 right, ready for takeoff right now on departure.
Tricky 25 Yankee, no delay to Delta 3 and contact ground.
Contact ground 25 Yankee.
Cessna 4956 Delta, Gillespie Tower, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff 27 right, 56 Delta, thanks. Lights?
Yak 2 Mike Delta,
Cameras.
runway 27 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 27 right, 32 Mike Delta and flight, thank you.
Finals clear.
Tri-Pacer 36 Charlie, number 2, following at Cutlass. Correction, you're number 1 now, runway 27 left, clear touch and go.
36 Charlie, number 1, for 27 left.
Alright, aborting takeoff, aborting takeoff. Aborting
Delta
takeoff.
67 Romeo, cross runway 27 left and contact ground.
Crossing 27 left, contact ground 67 Romeo.
Gillespie Tower 406 Delta, we're aborting takeoff. We'll exit at the next taxiway.
Cessna 56 Delta, turn left on Bravo, hold short of runway 27 left this frequency.
Exiting Bravo, and hold short of 27 left on this frequency, 56 Delta. Sorry about that.
Gillespie Tower, Monsoon 209er Delta Bravo, LCAP.
Tri-Pacer 36 Charlie, if able, turn base now.
36 Charlie, extending base.
24 for Papa Square, your turn to final. You are number 2 following a Tri-Pacer inside of you.